Hi, this is Matt from Maker's Empire. In this video, I'm going to give you a quick tour of Maker's Empire 3D, the world's easiest to use 3D design software. With Maker's Empire 3D's kid-friendly interface, students from kindergarten age and up can start designing, exploring and sharing their ideas, even those with no previous computing experience. Every user in Maker's Empire 3D has a customizable hero avatar. This hero interacts with the 3D environment and evolves as students unlock new outfits, hairstyles and accessories. It is a powerful engagement tool and we love seeing the crazy combos students come up with. First-time users are guided through our fun Training Lab tutorials, which introduce students to the basic design tools and techniques used in Maker's Empire 3D. As some of our youngest designers like to tell us, it's so easy, even adults can do it. Once they have mastered the basics, Maker's Empire 3D provides your students unlimited opportunities for creativity, while improving their spatial abilities and problem-solving skills. Our K-8 modules allow for endless hours of totally free-form design, or for those looking for a bit of inspiration and direction, we have daily design challenges. In-app rewards keep students motivated, as they unlock rare shapes and parts in the Maker shop. Working towards that perfect design piece or the coolest new outfit is a powerful incentive and a great way for teachers to engage with learners of all levels. All Maker's Empire 3D users are invited to be part of our global community of makers. Students can browse the gallery for inspiration and even buy and customize their favourite designs. If they feel like an extra challenge, all students can enter Maker's Empire's monthly design competitions to test their skills against students from all over the globe. But don't worry, all user content on Maker's Empire 3D is moderated to ensure it fits within our community guidelines and creates a safe and positive environment for all users. For users at schools with a Maker's Empire school subscription, Maker's Empire 3D is even better. Only subscribers can unlock the Challenge Central area. In Challenge Central, your students are sent off on curriculum-aligned design missions. These missions present students with a series of age-appropriate scenarios to challenge their problem-solving abilities, fuel their imagination, and develop their design thinking skills. All our design missions are designed by our learning team and can be assessed against the Australian curriculum, New South Wales, Victorian, NGSS, and ISTE Design and Technology curriculum standards. Teachers with a Maker's Empire school subscription can assess their students' work against the relevant curriculum standard and easily keep track of their progress. Come assessment time, this is a huge time saving for teachers. Teachers at Maker's Empire schools can also control their classes' privacy settings, choosing if their students can interact and collaborate with only the other students in their class, all the students at your school, or allowing them to connect with our global community of student makers. So, that's Maker's Empire 3D for you. It really is the world's easiest to use 3D design software and simply the best way for your K-8 students to start developing their design thinking skills. If you have any questions about the Maker's Empire 3D app or becoming a Maker's Empire subscriber, you can live chat with us by clicking that little speech bubble icon down there on the bottom right of your screen. You can email us at info@makersempire.com, or you can experience all the benefits of Maker's Empire for yourself by signing up for a free 14-day trial at makersempire.com/get_trial.